everyone, we welcome you to the official YouTube channel of CH Edgemakers. Right after the time when IIM Kolkata released the mark sheet yesterday, a minute after that, we informed you and uploaded the video how to download your scorecard PDF. And right after we uploaded a video, we started getting lots of messages regarding इतना percentile आया है, क्या होगा, sectional cutoff clear नहीं हुआ है, या फिर कौन से colleges available रहेंगे, क्या कर सकते हैं, and we could see a lot of anxiety in you people. Correct? So what we have done is we have actually gathered few of the questions, right, अलग-अलग category में, so that not just for those students, right, if you fall in that category, the questions can help you as well, right? Apart from doing that, having said that, we will be preparing and making you aware with the individual videos जहाँ पर आपको पता रहेगा अगर 75 से 85 percentile आए हैं तो क्या क्या options हैं, right? 85 to 90 percentile, 95 percentile आए हैं तो क्या options हैं, and various other videos like that. And for that, you really need to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, which is mandatory because आपके पास notification आ जाएंगे timely. That's it, right? So sir, let's go with the questions.
Sure.
कुछ बहुत अलग-अलग category के questions आए हैं. जैसे this student says that she scored 79% in 10th,
okay,
42% in 12th.
Okay.
So she wants to know, does she have any chance to get into FMS Delhi क्योंकि उसके CAT के 99 percentile बने हैं और वो OBC category से है.
Okay. So first of all, you scored very well in CAT. 99 percentile is great, but the percentage 42% in 12th probably, no?
Yes.
Will actually mar your chances for getting into good B schools, especially IIMs. Although they don't mention, they say that they are going to check only percentages of your graduation, but somewhere they give that weightage to 10th and 12th. So somewhere it would be difficult for getting or securing a call from top IIMs. So that is the case. थोड़ा hard luck है यहाँ पे. But what you can do is we have uploaded in description, हमने एक Google form upload किया हुआ है. So what you do is fill in your details and post your queries. We'll call you back and we can actually decide on what kind of colleges you can now apply. If not IIMs, then what? Although let's keep our fingers crossed that you get calls from IIMs, but थोड़ा difficult लग रहा है. Although congratulations for scoring a 99 percentile.
So there's this another student who says that 94.24 percentile आए हैं CAT में. He's from a general category.
94.
94.
Okay.
He's non-engineer from a general category, but VARC में 48 percentile आए हैं.
Well, there's only one thing. There is IIM Rohtak. They call based on the overall percentile. They don't get into sectional. So you can keep your fingers crossed for getting a call from IIM Rohtak. Barring that, थोड़ा chances कम है, to be honest. What you can do is you can apply to several other colleges. You can apply to colleges like BITSOM. You can apply to colleges like IMI Delhi 4, and if you wish to know more such colleges, what you can do is again we have uploaded a Google form in the description. Please fill in the details. We can discuss out what all colleges you can apply with this percentile.
Correct. So there's another student who says that he has scored 77.5 percentile in CAT. He is a non-engineer and from OBC.
Okay.
Yes. So he has not given any other details. So see, again, I mean...
well, first thing that we will require is your details of sectional percentiles, but because by now you must have understood that sectional percentiles are also important. So send in your details in the form. That will help us to guide you, help you out in filling the appropriate forms. Number one. Number two, you can apply to colleges where they don't go for sectional percentiles. You can go for colleges like Nirma, Tapmi. Might be possible in an 80 percentile zone they might call you. Apart from that, keep your if you just imagining that you have crossed let's say 60 percentile in almost all the areas, then you can expect some calls from IIM. Chances थोड़े कम है, but let's hope for the best.
Right. Now, so this is a little different query.
Okay.
However, many of the students will have this query. So the student says that he can't take a drop. CAT में 69.30 percentile आए हैं. OBC category से है, non-engineer है. He is asking any college which he can apply.
Well, अगर as in previous question मैंने बोला almost 70 percentile थे वहाँ पे तो, पर फिर भी थोड़ा chances कम था, but यहाँ पे थोड़ा और chance कम हो गया है. एक आध अगर IMC कॉलेज है दैट्स बेस्ट, अदरवाइज वी हैव टू गो फॉर सम प्राइवेट गुड बी स्कूल्स. सो फॉर दैट वी माइट रिक्वायर डिटेल्स बेस्ड ऑन योर प्रेफरेंसेस ऑफ सिटी एंड लोकेलिटी. वी कैन सर्टनली गाइड यू कि कौन से कॉलेजेस आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, एंड दैट वुड बी गुड फॉर यू. अगर आपको इस बार ही करना है तो दैट्स दी चॉइस अवेलेबल. देयर आर सेवरल गुड बी स्कूल्स, प्राइवेट बी स्कूल्स जो कि आपको डिसेंट ROI दे सकता है. Probably we have to go to those B schools. So for that description में Google form है, please fill कर दो. We'll respond back as soon as possible.
Perfect. You'll get an in-person, information from the experts. All right. So
and don't worry, we are not going to charge you out for anything.
That's true. So, sir, this female, she's a dentist, and she's from NCOBC, right? And she's got 89.95 percentile. Again, हमें sections वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं पता है.
So just imagine कर लेता हूँ मैं, आपके sectional percentiles अच्छे हैं, that is 70 plus हैं. Keep your fingers crossed, you are going to get some good calls. Why? Because of diversity, number one, dentist. Number two, you are a female, non-engineer, and OBCNC, and then although we don't have your percentage of 10, 12 and graduation, still imagining, assuming कि आपके अच्छे होंगे, so probably expect some good calls.
Right.
If not from Blackie, then बाकी calls तो आपके पास आएंगे.
Having said that, Saurabh sir has made a video on Blackie, giving you all the details about those, IIM. So please go to our YouTube channel and check that video. It will be a lot of beneficial for you. Anyway, so these were the main questions, हालांकि, but then there were many questions which said that अभी तो CAT में नहीं हो पा रहा है, that sort of. So they're like. CAT में तो नहीं हुआ. अब how to turn the tables for ZAT now?
Sure. So if you are not getting into CAT, life is not over. Believe me, there are colleges, there are options. The first best option that you have is ZAT. So for cracking ZAT, दिन कम बचे हैं. So make sure past 8 years papers आपने पूरे solve किए हों. Solve each and every question. है ना, number one. Number two, take a good test series and take mocks, but I would recommend first solve papers of at least starting from 2016-17 till 2021. पहले ZAT के ये वाले पेपर्स आप एक बार दे दो, उसके बाद then take mock test, फिर use the last 3 papers, that is 22, 23 and 24. Why 24? Because ZAT 25 में होगा, तो 24 की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. सो लास्ट 3 इयर्स के जो पेपर्स हैं, ये फिर ऐसा मॉक लेना. आप मॉक लोगे तो यू रियलाइज कि आप कहाँ स्टैंड करते हो. यू ऑल्सो हैव अ बेंच मार्किंग. आप नेट पे सर्च करोगे, मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि किस परसेंटाइल पे क्या था और कितना परसेंटाइल एक्सपेक्टेड था, तो उसके हिसाब से किस स्कोर पे क्या परसेंटाइल था, सॉरी, उसके हिसाब से यू कैन ऑल्सो गेज योर सेल्फ कि वेयर डू यू स्टैंड. सो मेरा रिकमेंडेशन यही होगा कि पहले आप क्या करो, 2016 से लेके 2021 तक के सारे पेपर सॉल्व करो, फिर कुछ टेस्ट सीरीज करो, 2-4 मॉक्स दो, उसके बाद ये लास्ट 3 साल के पेपर ऐसा मॉक्स दे दो. सो दैट वुड हेल्प यू विद द प्रिपरेशन. ये आपको अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर देगा. दिस इज माई बिलीफ. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, कुछ एरियाज हैं विच कैन हेल्प यू अ लॉट इन स्कोरिंग इन ZAT. नंबर 1, डिसीजन मेकिंग. ईजिएस्ट सेक्शन ऑफ ZAT होता है. ये थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है बट ईजी है. इसके लिए क्या करना, अगेन पास्ट के पेपर सॉल्व करो. पीपल लाइक अस से पीछे पढ़ो कि भाई इसका आंसर ये क्यों नहीं है. डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट एनी आंसर, गेट द रैशनल ऑफ दैट आंसर. वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सो रैशनल समझो, एंड रैशनल जब बिल्डअप होने लग जाएगा तो यू विल बी एबल टू परफॉर्म वेल इन फर्दर क्वेश्चंस ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग. नंबर 1. नंबर 2, क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वहाँ पे. मतलब 1 para 1 क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द असम्पशन बिहाइंड इट, इफ ट्रू व्हाट हैज टू बी डन एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. सो वो 1 para 1 क्वेश्चन जो वैरायटी है, क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड जिसको बोलते हैं, उसकी अच्छी प्रैक्टिस कर लो. सॉल्व सम पोम्स, सम पैराजम्बल्स, RCs. आप देखो आपका BA भी हो गया है. सो व्हाट रिमेन्स इज योर QA. थर्ड, Here there is nothing like sectional timings. So you have 170 minutes, 3 sections. It's up to you, आपको जो करना है पहले, जो करना है बाद में आप सॉल्व करो, और कितना समय देना है वो भी आप डिसाइड करोगे. रिकमेंडेशन, सबसे पहले डिसाइड टाइम लिमिट्स. डिसीजन मेकिंग 35 to 40 minutes, not more than 40 minutes. VA roughly 50 minutes, so it makes it 90 minutes. Remaining 80 minutes, because you have 170 minutes, remaining 80 minutes for QA. So QA में 15 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना, बट 80 मिनट्स में सॉल्व करना, तो आप देखो हो जाएंगे. तो थोड़ा समय यहाँ बचाओ एंड डिवोट दैट टाइम फॉर सॉल्विंग QA. यू विल बी परफॉर्मिंग वेरी वेल देयर. सो अच्छा कर लोगे. एंड देन देयर इज GA, तो थोड़ा GA करो. GA में 12 क्वेश्चंस आर फॉर करंट अफेयर्स एंड 8 क्वेश्चंस फॉर स्टैटिक GK. तो थोड़ा जनरल अवेयरनेस करो. एंड दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट वी हैव डन इज वी प्रोवाइड a huge module of general awareness to our students. Yes. Because we know the importance of it. तो वो थोड़ा सा उसको कर लो, प्रिपेयर कर लो. that would give you an edge over others in ZAT.
That's true.
Number 1. Number 2, ZAT के बाद भी दुनिया खत्म नहीं होती है. There's one more exam which is CMAT. Now CMAT can be an exam this year. Probably last year I might not have recommended CMAT, but this year probably yes. Why? समय पे हो रही है. It's happening in January. Yes. So many colleges which were not able to take students from CMAT, they will be taking students from CMAT this time. So take CMAT. CMAT में GA आएगा, जनरल अवेयरनेस अगर ZAT की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो उसके साथ हो जाएगा. CMAT के डिफिकल्टी लेवल कम होता है, तो QA, DI, LR, VA सब हो जाएगा. बचेगा क्या? E-SHIP, that is entrepreneurship and innovation. So people like us are providing various courses. So हमें ज्वाइन कर लो या कहीं और भी कर लो, बट E-SHIP थोड़ा सा कर लोगे ना तो आपको लगेगा CMAT भी पूरा हो गया है, because you have done all other things for ZAT only. So अब कुछ नहीं बचेगा, CMAT भी आप अच्छे से दे पाएंगे. And with that you will be able to get through good B schools if you wish to take a B school this year.
So I think since you have mentioned CMAT, right, I should mention that you should actually visit our cmatwars.com, right? We are the actually India's first online CMAT portal, and we are offering test series on the launch offer, and the launch price is really, really cool. So we are providing one free test series which has a lot of features. We are providing the NOVA test series, which is cost at INR 499 and you'll not get anywhere in India, right? And then we are providing with the Galaxy package, which again has a lot of features. What sir was talking about, the entrepreneurship, innovation, we are providing in just at a price of 799, again with recorded, pre-recorded lectures, the chat support, the email support, the content, the video lectures, the interview support, everything we are providing in such a low price. I think you should visit cmatwords.com. That's a very user-friendly website. You should go for it. And we hope that you're targeting ZAT and CMAT. Agar CAT mein nahi hua, if you did not do well in CAT, don't worry, sir has given you a lot of strategies for CMAT and ZAT as well. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest notification.